today I'm going to be assembling another Charlie. As we all know, the last one died. For those of you who are not familiar with Charlie, we're talking about the Ilife V7 Robo hoover and mop. As you can see, it's a robot vacuum cleaner. It also mops. I'm not going to do an unboxing, I'm just going to do an assembly. There are many unboxing videos online to show you exactly what's in the box, and to be quite honest, I hate unboxing videos, so I'm just going to show you how to assemble the hoover itself. Let's get on with it. Right, so as you can see, we have a remote control, batteries for remote control, a docking station, a charger, the hoover itself. I seem to remember the last time I did this, I actually had to assemble the hoover, but this time it came assembled with his brushes already on and raring to go. You got any power in it? Yes, he has. He's actually got a charge in him as well. So all I have to do is do a bit of peeling. The only drawback to having one of these hoovers is you have to have an adapter, which obviously makes this twice as big. So hiding it away is a bit of a problem. So let's stick the batteries in the remote and go from there. Now we're going to set a time, which means powering it up. The time button. The time is now 8:16. Okay, let's set the timer. You want it to come on at 3 AM every morning. And that's that done. Don't forget, if you like what you're seeing and it's useful in any way, shape or form, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and select to receive notifications. Okay? Okay, so he's going back where the original Charlie was, and so he'll be parked here. So, rest station. Down the back of the radiator, because Charlie likes to try and eat power leads. Well, the old one did. I'm guessing the new one, having its same guidance system, will probably like to eat them as well. And it's powered. Let's get this out of the way. Send him home. And there he is, ready for use. Okay, just got one more thing to do. Okay, this is the Broadlink RM Pro. It is a universal remote control. And what I need to do is program this to be able to get Charlie up and running. Wait a minute, I forgot one more step in the Charlie process. Let's go back to Charlie. I always forgot the most important thing that I needed to install on Charlie. It's so important, in fact, that he probably wouldn't work without it. How's he supposed to work without that? I mean, what McDonald's worker can you know that could work without their name tag? Honestly, I mean, he just wouldn't know who he was. Okay, so back to the RM Pro. Right, so to set this up, I need to go into my phone and use the RM Pro, the one that Paul Hibbert said not to use. Although it seems to work better for me. IHC for the EU. Okay, and this is the whole setup for it. And somewhere in here it has got Robohoover. Sweeping robot. There we go. Okay. So we need to add it. It's in the lounge, obviously. It's called Charlie. Okay, so for Charlie we only need a few things. We only need the on button. And the home button. That is all I need. All the other buttons are not needed. So now, she who must not be named can work Charlie. And he's in the list. Okay. Sorry about the horrid holding the phone up to the camera lark, but I haven't actually got a capture system for the computer yet. Right, so Charlie is now completely set up. His remote can go up there, out of the way, and he's done. Let's have one last look at him, and then we'll call this video done and dusted.